Hi, welcome back to another video. So in this video, unboxing the hair bonnet that I got from Amazon. So this is the package. This is the package. This is to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell beside it so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the unboxing video. This is a hair dryer that it came with. Can you put it on your hair like this? When you finish washing your hair, just put it, and there's a button at the back. Just use it to lock it. That is it. So this is the main thing here. The hair steamer. There's the, see that? Okay, let's see what we have. Came in with this little bag. Let's see what is inside. Ooh. Okay, it's like this. And this is the handle that you put your hair dryer inside. Then you fix it on your hair like this. And the handle is so long, guys. It's really long. You can even sit down and put it on your hair, be operating your phone, be doing your thing without knowing that you are really doing anything here. So I also got this from Amazon. I think the link will be here. No, it's not here. It's a bonnet dryer attachment. Bonnet dryer attachment. Hair bonnet dryer attachment. Easy to use, lightweight, convenience for traveling, large bonnet size, fit all hair dryer, great for styling and setting with roller. So guys, this is also good. I'm going to do a review on it very soon because I just did a review on the wound brush. So this the brush that I used to comb my hair. You can see my hair is really full right now. I didn't even know that my hair is this full, beautiful. You can see the style that I use it to do. Just nice. You can see it's going to be the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like me to do more unboxing video on health stuff or anything like that, just let me know. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. It's free. You don't need to pay anything to subscribe. Just click that red button there that the right subscribe, and just subscribe to it so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Guys, this place is really hot. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling so hot right now. Jesus, please let me go and have my rest, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, what do you think about this? What do you think? I really love this thing. So good, so soft, guys. It's like a newborn baby skin. So soft. And this hair too. Oh, my hair is really long now. So let me end it here. Hair dryer cap. So guys, let me end. So bye. Stay blessed.